Alright, second last question. An airplane is in level flight, flying at a constant altitude at a velocity of 500 km per hour at an altitude of 1500 meter when a wheel falls off. Okay, so now there is an aeroplane. Astaga, begitu ka juga aeroplane. Macam bukan aeroplane tau. Ano pa? Ish. Okay. Macam mana kita lukis aeroplane ni? Okay, dan ni sayap dia. Okay, boleh lah tu. Okay, so that is the aeroplane. So it is flying at a constant altitude at a velocity. Okay, so altitude. So this is the velocity. Okay, so convert this, you will get 138.89 meter per second. Actually, I think I wrote something wrongly. Where is not 60? This is per hour, so 60 times 60 times 60. Wait, I think I did wrongly. Okay, so 1 hour is 60 minutes times with 60. I think it's... Is that correct, everybody? Let me just double check. Betul lah ba kan? Betul lah tu. Okay. So now, just correct that one in your solution lah. Okay, so we have to... okay, so we have the altitude juga. So the altitude is 1,500 meter. Okay, so will this be negative? Yes, because the wheel is what we are looking for. Is what we are considering, and it is going down, so it is negative. Okay, so how long does the wheel take to reach the ground? So this one, we are gonna just use sy uyt minus half gt square. Okay, so from here we have ux to be equal to 138.89 meter per second lah. And then uy is equal to 0 sebab the aeroplane is flying horizontally, not vertically. Okay, so the time for this part is gonna be negative 1,500, 0, and we have minus half 9.81 t square, so the time will be equal to 17.49 seconds. Okay, and then we have to calculate the horizontal distance. What horizontal distance will the wheel travel before it strikes the ground? Okay, so this one is just the range, so sx ux t lah. Okay, so from here you will substitute 13889 times the time, which is 17.49 seconds, and you will get the horizontal range to be equal to 2,429 meter. Okay, and then question C, what will the wheel's velocity be when it strikes the ground? Okay, so this is gonna be the final velocity. So do we have Vx? Vx is gonna be equal to ux, which is 138.89 meter per second. Vy is what we are looking for, so we can just use this equation here. 9.81 time is 17.49. So it asks before it strikes the ground na, jangan kamu letak 0 aja terus. So this is negative 171.58 meter per second, so we have to find the magnitude plus Vy square, so you will get 220.75 meter per second. Don't forget the direction, because velocity is a vector quantity. So we have 171.58 divided by 138.89, so you will get 51.01 degree. So since the y component is positive, the x component is positive, the y component is negative, it's gonna be below the positive x-axis. Below sebab Y component negative, positive sebab the x-axis is positive. The x component here is positive. Alright, so that is your solution on question number 9.